Let's read the second lesson. The name of the lesson is The Magic Garden. The magic garden was in a school playground. It was very pretty. Sunflowers and roses stood high against the wall. There were also marigolds, poppies and pansies. The sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other, and the flowers danced and sang happily. They said to one another, "We have hundreds of little gardeners." They were the children from the school. One sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. "I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones most of all," said a poppy. "I like them to bring their watering cans and water my thirsty roots." "Yes," said the marigolds, "the boys are good to us too. They dig the ground so well." We love the little children," said a tiny bird. "They are kind and they bring bread for us." All the flowers said, "We must work hard to make our dresses very pretty, for the children will be here soon." The sun said, "I will help you also, for nothing pleases me better than to see the children running about in the garden sunshine." Suddenly, the children came out laughing and singing, and the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. "Oh, look at the tall sunflower," said one child, and the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. Another child said, "I love the marigold in its golden dress." The marigold smiled happily. It was indeed a magic garden, because it had fairies too. They danced and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. After a time, the fairies came out dancing and talked with the children. Their dresses were made of flowers and their wings of sunshine. The magic garden was quiet that night. The flowers and birds were asleep and dreaming of the next day when the children would come again. Now, let's complete the exercises given below. First exercise is reading is fun. Why did the flowers love to the little children? Because they water them. Because they water the plants. Because they bring water for them. Why did the bird love the children? Because they bring bread for them. Name five flowers growing in the magic garden. The 5 types of flowers are sunflower, roses, marigolds, poppies and pansies. What sounds could the children hear in the garden? The songs of the fairies. Roses. Let's recite it. I like roses. Most roses are red. Some are white. Some are yellow. Are They are blue roses. I have not seen any blue roses. Now say aloud. This is an exercise. Little people purple, happily, sleepily, proudly, slippery, thirsty, pretty. Now complete these exercises. Name of insects. Bee, butterfly, trees, neem tree, people tree, flowers, rose, sunflower, tools, saw, लकड़ी काटने की आरी, सॉ, हैमर, HAMMER, हैमर, हथौड़ी, बर्ड्स, क्रो, CROW, क्रो, hen, HEN, hen. Now you have to draw a garden of your choice. Now complete these sentences. In my garden I would like to grow vegetables, flowers, and fruits. Now we have got third lesson, that is bird talk. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Let's repeat. Bird talk. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Let's complete the exercises. Name the two birds in the poem. First, robin. Here it is. Robin. Second is jay. Jay, jay. What are the three things that people can't do? They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, or we can say they cannot fly, and they don't sit on wires and branches of trees, etc. They don't eat insects. They don't, we can say they cannot fly. They cannot sit on wire. Let's complete these things, the sounds. Cheep, cheep, cheep. quack, quack, quack. Now we have to use these birds for making sentences. We'll use all these three words together. The birds fly in the sky using their wings. The birds lay eggs in a nest. The birds drink water. The birds chirp. Now, day, bay, away. The same sounding words, they are called rhyming words. Think, link, sink, funny, sunny,